from an outside angle and from a in-game face cam angle. See, I'm recording with my other phone. So let's get ready.
This is a mobile game, so I never played it before. So
it's actually pretty hard. My top score is actually only 10. So,
Hey, you fat.
okay. Tap, 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 tap. Oh, I missed. Tap,
His Burley high score is 3.
tap,
I have to go
tap.
all the way to 17.
How do?
Tap the fatties.
Tap, tap, tap. Nah, mate. Nah, mate.
what the heck? What are you, Australian?
Huh, yelled mate. I like some tea, mate.
That's
please,
British.
I suck.
Please stop me, mate. I'm acting like an idiot, mate. Please stop me. Thank you.
I slapped him.
I don't trust these games.
Why?
Why is it so dirty?
Because I dropped it. Don't be a jerk. It's Christmas.
Are you gonna put music in the background, please?
Probably.
Oh,
Don't be-
16! Oh, good record!
17, really?
This needs to be on the Genius World.
11.
This needs to be on the Genius World Records.
Yeah, this needs to be on Giancarlo Sucks.
How dare you?
How dare you make fun of my life?
Shut up, mister. I cannot sing at the voice.
We're outside, by the way, so
Yeah. Make sure your face is still in the face cam on my tablet.
yes, it is.
Yes, it's horrible. Oh, God, I can't even see it. Faces on there.
That's messed up.
Just look at it, dude. Are those his teeth?
Man, come
Oh,
on,
focus, you stupid camera.
Dude, there's a flare.
no. This mall.
Dude, there's a
It
freaking
won't
flare.
focus.
Man, this takes forever.
You're almost gonna finish the game, I think.
Man, it's gonna be a short video probably.
I don't know your face.
Man, I remember the day I pranked Jesus.
I think you had like 2 minutes.
Oh,
I forgot what the time was.
okay.
Why are you smiling?
Me?
Yeah.
I don't know. I just like smiling.
You weird, dude.
Oh my gosh!
You did that for yourself.
No! No! Okay, I gotta say bye.